Hello, fellow explorers. Today we stand at the edge of a new chapter in human history, one that will take us farther than ever before. For over 50 years, only robots have touched the moon's surface. These mechanical pioneers have taught us so much, but the time has come for humans to return. The last human footprints were left in 1972, a testament to our early dreams of space exploration. Now, after decades of waiting and planning, we're finally going back. The countdown to a new era has begun. This isn't just a repeat of Apollo, it's a new era with new goals and new technology. Artemis will build on Apollo's legacy but reach even further. We're returning to stay, to learn, and to prepare for Mars. This time, our presence will be lasting, with plans for habitats and research stations. The Artemis 3 mission will send the first woman and the first person of color to the moon, breaking new ground for representation in space. This mission reflects the diversity and spirit of today's humanity, showing that space is for everyone, regardless of background. Our goal: build a sustainable base camp, conduct long-term science, and create a foundation for future explorers. We'll learn how to live and work on another world. We'll test the tech for future journeys, from life support systems to new ways of generating power and using lunar resources. Imagine standing on the moon gazing at Earth, a view the Artemis astronauts will soon experience, connecting us all to our home planet in a profound way. Their journey, planned for 2027, is the result of years of innovation, dedication, and international collaboration. Teams around the world are working together to make this dream a reality. This is a human achievement, symbolizing our curiosity and drive to explore. Every step forward is a step for all of humanity. The moon is calling us back, and this time, we're planning to stay. Our vision is to create a home away from home, a place where future generations can thrive. Why now? Because the moon holds scientific secrets and is the perfect stepping stone to Mars. Unlocking its mysteries will help us understand our solar system and prepare for the next giant leap. It's about securing our future as a multi-planetary species, ensuring that humanity continues to grow and explore beyond Earth. This return is about inspiration, innovation, and what we can achieve together. It's about uniting people across the globe in a shared adventure. The Artemis era is here. Let's see how we'll make it happen. Let's explore the plan and take our next steps into the cosmos together. Returning humans to the moon takes a powerful team. NASA and SpaceX, two giants in space exploration, now working side by side to achieve a historic goal. NASA brings decades of deep space expertise, rigorous testing, and a relentless focus on astronaut safety, skills honed over years of missions to the moon, Mars, and beyond. SpaceX, meanwhile, brings rapid innovation, cutting-edge engineering, and the game-changing technology of reusable rockets. NASA sets the ambitious goals, and SpaceX answers by building the Starship Human Landing System, the next-generation vehicle designed to ferry astronauts safely to the lunar surface and back. The mission is a cosmic relay. NASA's powerful SLS rocket launches the Orion spacecraft, carrying 4 astronauts on their journey beyond Earth. Orion travels hundreds of thousands of miles to lunar orbit, where SpaceX's Starship HLS patiently awaits, ready for the next phase of the mission. 2 astronauts transfer to Starship, then descend to the moon's south pole, a region never before explored by humans, rich with scientific promise. After a week of groundbreaking exploration and research, they return to lunar orbit and rejoin their crewmates aboard Orion. All 4 astronauts then begin their journey home, re-entering Earth's atmosphere and splashing down safely in the Pacific Ocean. This intricate dance of machines and people relies on a groundbreaking public-private partnership, blending the best of both organizations. NASA's experience and SpaceX's boldness are making the dream of a lunar return possible, pushing the boundaries of what's achievable. It's a new model for space exploration. Collaborative, ambitious, and fast, setting the stage for humanity's next giant leap. The countdown to Artemis is on, and the world is watching as NASA and SpaceX prepare to make history together. Meet the SpaceX Starship Human Landing System, the giant that will land astronauts on the moon. This is not just another spacecraft, it's a bold leap forward in lunar exploration, designed to carry humanity further than ever before. With its towering presence and advanced technology, Starship HLS is set to transform how we reach and explore the lunar surface. Forget the spidery Apollo lander. Starship HLS is massive, with a spacious 2-story interior. Imagine astronauts moving freely inside, with room for science labs, sleeping quarters, and even exercise equipment. This is a spacecraft built for comfort and efficiency, making long lunar stays possible. It's designed for reusability, making lunar missions more affordable in the long run. Instead of a single-use lander, Starship can be refueled and relaunched, dramatically reducing costs and opening the door to frequent missions. The lunar Starship will have a white protective shell to reflect harsh sunlight and a roomy cabin for living and working. This protective layer shields astronauts from extreme temperatures and radiation, while the interior is designed for both comfort and productivity. A key feature, an external lift to lower astronauts and gear to the surface. This elevator system makes it easy to transport bulky equipment and samples, ensuring safe and efficient access to the moon's surface, no matter the mission. Robust, self-leveling landing legs will handle the moon's rugged terrain. These advanced legs automatically adjust to uneven ground, providing a stable platform for every landing, even on rocky or sloped surfaces. High-mounted thrusters minimize lunar dust during landing. By firing above the surface, they prevent dangerous clouds of debris, protecting both the spacecraft and the astronauts as they arrive. Starship is more than a lander, it's a temporary home and science base. Astronauts can live, work, and conduct experiments for days or even weeks, turning the moon into a true outpost for discovery. It can carry more equipment and return more samples than Apollo ever could. With its huge cargo bay, Starship can support ambitious science missions, heavy tools, and even future lunar vehicles. The Apollo missions brought back 382 kilograms of lunar material. Starship could bring back tons. This means more opportunities for research, new discoveries, and a deeper understanding of our closest neighbor. This capability makes Starship HLS a gateway to a new era of exploration. It's not just about visiting the moon, it's about building a lasting presence and preparing for journeys even farther into the solar system. It's the vehicle that will open the moon to sustained human presence. Starship could serve as the backbone for future lunar bases, supporting construction, research, and even tourism. The future of lunar science starts here, with Starship paving the way for a new generation of explorers and discoveries on the moon. Starship HLS's biggest challenge isn't landing, it's getting enough fuel to reach the moon. The solution: orbital refueling, a technology never before attempted at this scale. SpaceX will launch a fuel depot into Earth orbit, then send multiple tanker Starships to fill it. Once the depot is full, the lunar Starship will fuel up for its journey. This complex ballet requires automated docking and transferring supercold propellants in zero gravity. It's a huge technical leap, but essential for Artemis and future Mars missions. SpaceX is racing to master this, building new infrastructure and pushing innovation. The first full-scale refueling test is expected in 2026. Mastering orbital refueling will unlock the solar system for human exploration. It's the key to going farther than ever before. Sending astronauts to the moon means preparing them for the unknown. Artemis astronauts train in advanced simulators and rugged landscapes on Earth. The Artemis II crew rehearses every phase of their mission, including lunar science from orbit. Future moonwalkers practice in places like Arizona's volcanic fields, simulating lunar conditions. They learn to move in bulky suits, collect samples, and communicate with Earth. The target: the moon's south pole, a region of shadows and ancient water ice. This ice could provide water, air, and even rocket fuel for future missions. Astronauts are trained as field geologists, ready to spot valuable materials. Every minute on the surface is precious. Training ensures they make it count. They're preparing to be our eyes and hands on a new frontier. The new space race is truly global. NASA and SpaceX aren't alone in this endeavor. China is rapidly advancing, aiming to land its astronauts on the moon by 2030. They've landed rovers, brought back lunar samples, and plan a permanent lunar research station. This competition drives both innovation and urgency for Artemis and its partners. The US leads with the Artemis Accords, setting out principles for peaceful exploration. The nation that leads will help shape the future of space cooperation and resource use. Technical challenges remain, but momentum is steadily building. The world is watching closely, and the stakes are incredibly high. This race isn't just about flags, it's about humanity's shared future in space. The push for the moon is accelerating, opening new frontiers for everyone. Why go back to the moon? For knowledge, opportunity, and our future. Artemis III's landing at the South Pole is just the beginning. The moon is a laboratory and a training ground for Mars. Water ice at the South Pole could provide life support and rocket fuel. In-situ resource utilization could turn the moon into a launch pad for the solar system. Artemis will inspire a new generation, just as Apollo did. Seeing the first woman and person of color on the moon will be a global milestone. Exploration unites us, pushes us to solve hard problems, and expands our horizons. We go because it's in our nature to explore and understand our place in the universe. The Artemis mission is about building a future beyond Earth. The journey is tough, but the destination is our destiny. Let's go.